Alright, straight away I will be showing you how you can have, when you're having this type of issue, you can always have a solution for it. And how you're going to do that is, let's see, I'm trying to open, let's try opening this application, WhatsApp tool, and this is exactly the error message I'm having. um, it's either it tells you it keeps stopping or it has stopped, and then it tells you app info close app. When you're having this and you choose to select close app, the app will just close automatically after pressing close app. So the actual way to solve this type of issue is, you need to do this. You click on the app, and when it brings this particular message again, this one now is saying keeps stopping. WhatsApp toolkit for WhatsApp keeps stopping. So the thing we need to do in order for us to solve this issue is that, what this simply tells you is that the application is stored on a memory that doesn't have space or that has an error. So you have to make a change of memory. So how do we do this? We click on the app info here, and it takes you to this part. You don't need to take the first stop part. No, you don't need to take this. What you need to do is, you need to change where the storage is. Now this is the storage, so we click on the storage and see where this file is stored. Now this file is actually stored on the external memory, but my settings is that my external memory card was supposed to be serving as an internal memory card. So I need to make a change to make this application be stored on the internal memory in order for me to be able to have access to this application again. So I will click on change, and now you can see it's on the SD, but it's supposed to be in the internal memory. So I click on internal memory, and it tells me move WhatsApp toolkit for WhatsApp, and I will say move it. So it's in process now, and when the movement completes, now we'll be able to access this app just with ease. You can see it's automatically opening right now. So this is how you solve this type of issues whenever you're having this type of issues with any of your application. Let's complete and see if it opens or not. Now you can see the app is now opened. So whenever you're having this type of issue, all you need to do is follow the step-by-step method, and you will be able to access your app again. Alright, if you have gained anything on this video or any of my videos, please kindly consider subscribing to my channel and on the notification bell, so when I drop awesome content like this, you will be the first to be notified by YouTube. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I remain Oshego Tech.